Viewers, that is the TMC and several members of the TMC, all members of the parliament who had assembled right outside the Home Minister's office is what we are given to understand. All of them now cleared out from that very spot by the cops. We could hear them constantly saying that they will be defeating the BJP and that they will not sit down and just be enduring whatever is happening in Kolkata at this given point of time. They will protest against it. Several of those MPs being taken out by, escorted by the police outside at this given point of time. Derek O'Brien, Pratima Mondal, Shatabdi Rai, Moa Moitro, Bapi Haldar, Saket Gokhale, Kirti Azad, several of them.
इस तरह से डिटेन किया जा रहा है आप लोगों को।
हाँ, आप लोग देख रहे हैं, आप लोग दिखाओ, पूरा इंडिया को दिखाओ कि क्या हो रहा है एमपी लोगों के साथ। बंगाल में जो भी हो रहा है, बीजेपी नहीं जीत सकते हैं, हम लोग फिर से आएंगे, ये हमारा वादा है।
ईडी का जो एक्शन
वो तो
ईडी का जो एक्शन हुआ उस पे क्या कहना है आप लोगों का?
That is our colleague Amit Bhardwaj following up on that very particular bus which carried all of them out of that very spot outside the Home Minister's office.
उन्होंने कहा कि ये तय था कि अचानक से सरप्राइज तरीके से दिल्ली में धरना दिया जाएगा, गृह मंत्रालय के दफ्तर के बाहर धरना दिया जाएगा। कल ममता बनर्जी तृणमूल कांग्रेस की सुप्रीमो हैं, पश्चिम बंगाल की मुख्यमंत्री हैं, उन्होंने स्पष्ट रूप से कहा था कि देखिए हम ये लड़ाई सड़क पर लड़ेंगे और आपको लड़ना है तो चुनाव में आकर बीजेपी को खुली चुनौती दी थी उन्होंने। और निशाना कल गृह मंत्री अमित शाह पे सीधे तौर पे पश्चिम बंगाल बनर्जी ने किया था और कल के ईडी के पूरे एक्शन के लिए उन्होंने असल में सीधे गृह मंत्री को ही आरोप उन पर लगाया था। अब देखिए हुआ क्या कि आज तकरीबन 15 से 20 मिनट पहले यहाँ पर कर्तव्य भवन के ठीक बाहर गेट नंबर 1 पर तृणमूल कांग्रेस के 8 सांसद पहुंचते हैं। डेरेक ओब्रायन जो राज्यसभा सांसद हैं, अक्सर लीड लेते हुए टीएमसी की स्ट्रैटेजी में दिखाई देते हैं। डेरेक ओब्रायन 8 के 8 सांसदों को लेकर नंबर 1 पे विरोध प्रदर्शन करते हैं। तब पुलिस की मौजूदगी कम थी। अचानक से पुलिस जब देखती है कि प्रदर्शन हो रहा है यहाँ तो अलर्ट किया जाता है, बड़ी तादाद में पुलिस को बुलाया जाता है और डेरेक ओब्रायन सहित सभी सांसदों को, तृणमूल कांग्रेस के सांसदों को डिटेन कर दिल्ली पुलिस यहाँ से ले गई है। बहसबाजी हुई और धक्का मुक्की हुई जिसमें एक सांसद गिरे भी हैं और डेरेक ओब्रायन ये बात बता रहे थे कि हम तृणमूल कांग्रेस के सांसद हैं, आप इस तरह से हमारे साथ व्यवहार नहीं कर सकते हैं। लेकिन जिस लड़ाई का अनाउंसमेंट ममता बनर्जी ने कल किया था बंगाल में, कलकत्ता में एनफोर्समेंट डायरेक्टरेट के एक्शन के बाद, उस लड़ाई का नया अध्याय राष्ट्रीय राजधानी दिल्ली में लिखा जा रहा है, जहां पे तृणमूल कांग्रेस के सांसदों ने अपनी सुप्रीमो द्वारा दिए गए मैसेज को ग्राउंड पर एग्जीक्यूट कर दिया है। क्योंकि कल गृह मंत्री के खिलाफ जिस तरह की तीखी बयानबाजी ममता बनर्जी ने की थी, कहा था कि प्रधानमंत्री को गृह मंत्री से बात करनी चाहिए और एक तरह से उन्होंने एक मोर्चा खोला ममता बनर्जी ने कि अब आगे की लड़ाई जो बंगाल के लिए लड़ी जाएगी 2026 बंगाल से लेकर दिल्ली तक लिखी जा रही है। फिलहाल 8 के 8 सांसद जो यहाँ पहुंचे थे, गृह मंत्री के खिलाफ नारेबाजी कर रहे थे, ईडी के एक्शन के खिलाफ नारेबाजी कर रहे थे। मैंने तृणमूल कांग्रेस के सांसदों से भी बात की, उन्होंने कहा कि देखिए हमें किस तरह से डिटेन किया जा रहा है। अब दिल्ली पुलिस उन्हें डिटेन कर गृह मंत्रालय के दफ्तर के बाहर से किसी और लोकेशन पर ले गई है।
So this is the situation right now, and Amit bringing us all those live updates from right outside the Home Minister's office. Derek O'Brien with several MPs that we could see, all of them being escorted out by the police. It's a high voltage drama that we just saw live on our screens at this given point of time. Amit, if you can hear me, just taking a question from you at this point of time. You know, many of those MPs, we could see one of them who had fallen down, and if I'm not wrong, that was Bapi Haldar, and the rest of them followed. They had an entire debate with the police where they kept saying that, you know, we have come here with a peaceful protest and we will get our words out there. We will come in and express ourselves out there. What more are we learning on that very front? What exactly unfolded there right outside the office, right before they were escorted out?
Well, sir, I was speaking to TMC sources. Told me very clearly that this was very much part of the plan, that we would go out to give out the message that has been stated by the TMC Supremo Mamata Banerjee herself in West Bengal, that this battle is against BJP, but this battle is also against HM Amit Shah. And yesterday you had seen as to how Mamata Banerjee had taken direct pot shots, direct attacks on HM Amit Shah because of the ED action that has happened at the IPAC office. And she had dared HM Amit Shah, saying that she is going to fight this battle on the streets and electorally as well. That message has been carried out in Delhi, taken forward and further by the TMC MPs in Delhi. They reached here as part of their plan. It was a surprise protest, meant to be a surprise protest, and hence, like any other protest, when you have information being told to the media about it, it was not given out, and immediately we got to know as to how they had assembled here. 8 of the MPs being led by Derek O'Brien, the Rajya Sabha MP of the Trinamool Congress, and after that we saw as to how the high voltage drama unfolded. And it was such a surprising act by the TMC that even the Delhi police was not prepared for this particular situation, because usually this early in the morning you do not have heavy police deployment around the Home Ministry's office, and this happens to be the way that takes you to Kartavya Path, the India Gate. So already this stretch is very important as well as sensitive one, because any protest here could actually block the pathway for heavy traffic that's moving to the government offices as well as other parts of the national capital. So immediately, the moment Delhi police realized that this might escalate, immediately within minutes the enforcement was called in. You could see the number of police personnel who are still standing here. The bus in which they were supposed to be detained, that was brought, and that's when we saw those visuals of confrontation between the Trinamool MPs and the Delhi police personnel, because the Delhi police personnel cannot allow any such protest out here outside the Home Ministry office. It's not allowed, more so with the kind of timing. It's the time when you have the senior bureaucrats, the government offices are starting up, the cars needs to go there, and this could have actually disrupted the entire traffic movement out here. So immediately you had Delhi police personnel, reaching the spot, trying to control the situation, and all of them have been now detained from this very spot. I did ask a question about the ED action that happened yesterday and about the detention that has been carried out. The TMC women MPs did mention that as to how they have been taken inside the bus and are now being detained, and ED action again, like yesterday's high voltage drama in Kolkata, they stated that it was an unjust action, and the message is pretty clear. The template is set for Bengal. Bengal battle 2026 is going to be BJP versus Mamata Banerjee, but it is also very much personal for Mamata Banerjee and Trinamool Congress now, because they are also hitting out at one individual from the BJP compared to anyone else. It's none other than Home Minister Amit Shah. The battle ground was set yesterday itself in Kolkata when the Enforcement Directorate raided the office of the IPAC, which has been managing the Trinamool Congress affairs for in the last election as well. They were the ones running the entire show, right from getting the ground information to candidate shortlisting as to which candidates need to be changed. And that's when Mamata Banerjee said that this is an attempt to steal Trinamool Congress's electoral strategy, the candidate list, and it is similar to raiding a political party's office. And therein, she mentioned that her target is also at HM Amit Shah. What was said in Bengal, in Kolkata, by Trinamool Congress Supremo Mamata Banerjee in the night. And Shreya, we also need to underline that this is going to escalate from here on, because in the days to come you will see a major protest